The major goal right now for a patient who just had a total knee replacement will be regain their range of motion, regain their strength, and those are the building blocks to regain their functional ability and better quality of life. Pre-hab, just like the name suggests, is right before the surgery. Pre-hab is not going to completely reduce the problem that you need the surgery for. However, it is paving a way for your success after your surgery because you will gain more strength, you will gain more functional ability, you will gain more range of motion. My name is Sam Zhu, and I'm a physical therapist at PTSMC. For a patient who did pre-hab before their surgery, their recovery time will be much faster than somebody who never did pre-hab physical therapy. For somebody who had a pre-hab, they're still going to experience pain, that's no doubt. However, the duration of the pain will be significantly much less than somebody who did not do pre-hab. We see a different variety of post-op patients. All sorts of joints we see here, from shoulder to hip to knee to ankle. We provide all sorts of rehab, such as total knee replacement rehab. Anyone who is going through the total knee replacement surgery will be a good candidate for prehab because all the things they have gained during the process of prehab will be useful to accelerate their rehab process after the surgery. I will suggest people to start their prehab a month or two before their surgery, so we have enough time to see some results before they go in for the surgery. Exercises for total knee replacement will be similar to something we'll do after the surgery, and when they have their surgery and they come back for post-op rehab, they'll be familiar with the stuff they have done before already. The factor we consider after a patient comes in after their surgery is what type of activity level they were in before they had the surgery, so we can customize a personalized treatment plan for every single patient because everybody is different, everybody's need is different. It is normal to have pain after any type of surgery. Pain is a very subjective thing, but I always encourage people to challenge themselves and then use certain modalities such as ice to reduce their pain level, which will allow them to move better and have better result from post-op rehab. Manual therapy is a tool we use to encourage the patients to move more during their rehab process. With more range of motion and less pain, the patients are more willing to move, the patients are having more courage to move. Therefore, their result from post-op rehab will be better. The primary goal for post-operative physical therapy is to bring the patient back to the level where it used to be before the surgery, to enjoy all the aspects of life. For anybody who is going to undergo a surgery, we just want to say be confident. Physical therapists here will provide you smooth and fast recovery. Physical therapy will ensure your recovery and return to any type of activities and sports activities you love before your surgery, and you can enjoy your life.